y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a wig review for Ashimaryhair. I love everything that they sent over in the package, so I had to go ahead and throw on the bonnet. I love this color, and they sent over a lot of goodies: lashes, wig cap, like bobby pins, and I love this little wig band thing, and you'll see when I put it on, it has like little ear protection, and that makes it so much more comfortable, so it's not hurting my head. Anyway, this is the wig. It is the Water Wave Invisi Strap Snug Fit 360 transparent lace wig. So the knots are bleached already, and the lace is already pre-cut, as you can see, and they did a really good job of plucking. When you see me put it on, or you probably already saw the clips, I didn't do any extra plucking, and it looks really natural. I love how the hairline looked. I'm showing you the construction of the wig. You get two clips on the side, you get the adjustable band, which is branded, which I like, and then you get a clip in the back, which is removable. So if you don't feel like having a clip on the back, you can definitely just pull it down and then take it out. And like I said, this is a 360 wig, so that means you can wear it up in a bun or in a ponytail, and I'll show you guys me doing that. And it has these little strings on the side, and you use that so that your wig can be nice and snug, and you're able to wear it glueless 360, you know, in ponytails or whatever. I'm just showing you guys some more close looks of the lace and everything, so I am just going to try it on. I am just adjusting it and making sure it's fitting nicely to my head, and putting in my comb. I think I only put in the back comb, I never put on the side combs, and I'm just making sure I have it where I want it to be. And then I'm going to go in with my foundation, and I'm just going to match my lace to the foundation that I'm wearing so that everything can be seamless. Now I am just going to go in with my lace spray, and I'm just spraying that right over the lace. I don't have to spray it underneath or anything. It's just easy to just spray it right through the lace, and this is some really nice lace. I love how thin it is and how easy it is to just lay it down. So I'm just tapping that in, and then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer on the cool setting just to make sure that it is nice and secure on my head. And I'm also pressing it down with my comb to make sure nothing is lifting. Now I'm just parting my hair to make sure I have it in a nice crisp middle part, and then I'm gonna go in with my wax stick, and I like to rub it in my palms now. I feel like that makes it kind of warms it up a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with my foundation just a little bit, not dabbing too much, just a little bit, so it wouldn't be too light in the middle. And then I'm going to use my hot comb to make sure that middle section is nice and flat, and then I'm also going to go over my side of my hair with the hot comb. Now I'm going to pull out my baby hairs. I like to have my baby hairs like 2 and 2, not too much, and then I'm cutting them in a diagonal motion going down. I'm adding a little gel today, and then I'm just swooping them back. Now I'm putting on my wig band. Like I said, they have like these little ear cushions, so you can put your wig band as tight as you want, because you know if you put it tighter, that's the better it lays. But now you don't have to worry about that because you have the cushions. Yeah, so I'm gonna let that sit for a while so that it can settle. In the meantime, I'm going to add a little bit of water to the hair and just detangle the hair, finger detangle the hair until it is nice and saturated. We are trying to make the water wave, you know, make it pop. Okay, now I'm going to pull out the front sections of my hair because I always like to frame my face, and I'm doing long layers. and I was just showing you guys what it looks like when it is wet. And now I came back, I let it air dry for a while. Now I'm at like 80 to 90% of the hair dry, and I just wanted to dry fast, so I'm going with my blow dryer on like a warm to high heat, and I'm just blow drying it just to make sure I touch up on all the little spots that weren't dry. And I'm taking off my little band. It feels so good, the relief, feels so good. And y'all, the wig is applied and it looks beautiful. So this is what it looks like. As y'all saw, it was pretty easy to apply. The curls, the wave is popping. It looks so nice. I love this pattern. I like how clumpy and just juicy they look. The hair just looks really, really juicy. Now we are going to just put my hair in a claw clip, because I do want to make sure my wig is nice and snug and fit to my head. So I'm gonna do those little strings that I was telling y'all about. So they're kind of like, I don't know the material that they're made out of, but these strings are very sturdy. As you can see, I can pull on them, and you'll see that I pull on them a lot. Like I can pull it all the way down, and it has this little piece on it where you can push it up so that you can make sure it's tightened. So I'm pulling it to where I want it to be, like the tightness I desire, and then I'm gonna push that little piece up, and that's gonna make it stay in place. And then once I'm done with that, I'm just going to tuck it underneath, and now my wig is not going anywhere. You hear me? It's not going anywhere. So I'm gonna tug on it to show you guys that it is nice and secure. And then this is what the back looks like. So like I said, you can wear it up, and you don't have to worry about lace showing or anything, because that little string kind of bunches up the lace and it doesn't show. And look, my wig is not going anywhere. Like, even when I'm tugging on it, it's not really moving. So it is secure. I'm just giving you guys some more up close looks at the hairline. Like I said, they already pre-plucked the lace and everything, and then just some more looks at the curls. Now we are going to pin the hair up so that I'm just going to show you guys a couple styles. So the first thing you can do, obviously, is just like a claw clip, and then have some little trindles hanging. Easy, right? The next thing that you can do is a half up, half down style. So I just have my little trindles. Is that even the word? Hanging. And then I just did like half up, half down, and a little ponytail. Cute. And then finally, we're going to just put the hair up in a ponytail. You can just wear in a ponytail like that. That's one option. And then you can also, you know, twirl it around and put it in a bun. I think the bun is super cute, and I'm just kind of like messying it up so it doesn't look super perfect or anything. And as y'all can see, you can't see any lace, nothing is lifting or anything. This wig is perfect, and I'm just showing you guys what it looks like from the back as well. So yeah, y'all, if you like this wig, I will leave the link and everything down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.